Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable live chat during stream replay on mobile. On your device, let's open YouTube, and then you want to open the stream replay. I'll go to this one. Now you're gonna look for comment section right here under the video, and now we're gonna swipe left like this, and the comments bar will become gray, and here you will see all the replays that were live. You will see messages, you will see comments as they happened live. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.